Welcome to today's lecture on the importance of JavaScript best practices. I am excited to delve into this critical topic with you, where we will explore why following best practices in JavaScript development is essential for building robust and maintainable applications. So, why JavaScript best practices matter? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's make a moment to understand why JavaScript best practices matter in the first place. So JavaScript is a versatile and powerful programming language and which is widely used for developing web applications, mobile apps, and even server-side applications. However, without proper guidelines and best practices in place, JavaScript code bases can quickly become unwieldy, difficult to maintain, and prone to errors. So by following best practices, developers can ensure that their code is not only efficient and performant, but also easy to understand, debug, and extend. Let's explore some key reasons why JavaScript best practices are crucial. As a summary, so following best practices ensures that the code is organized, modular, and well documented, making it easier for developers to maintain and update it over time. Then comes scalability. So best practices help prevent common scalability issues by promoting modular code architecture, efficient resource utilization, and optimized performance. And writing clean and consistent code improves readability, making it easier for developers to understand and collaborate on projects even as they grow in complexity and size. Adhering to best practices also helps mitigate security risks by following secure coding practices, avoiding common vulnerabilities, and staying updated on security standards. And by optimizing JavaScript code according to best practices can significantly improve performance, reducing load times, and enhancing the user experience. So, some key best practices in JavaScript development. Now that we understand why JavaScript best practices are important, let's delve into some key practices that every JavaScript developer should follow. Throughout this lecture series, we'll explore various aspects of JavaScript development, including code organization, coding style conventions, variable declaration, function design, error handling, asynchronous programming, optimization techniques, security measures, and testing strategies. By mastering these practices, developers can elevate their JavaScript skills and build high-quality, production-ready applications that meet industry standards and exceed user expectations. So by mastering these best practices, developers can elevate their JavaScript skills and build high-quality, production-ready applications that meet industry standards and exceed user expectations. So, in conclusion, JavaScript best practices are not just guidelines, they are fundamental principles that underpin successful and sustainable development. So, by prioritizing best practices in your JavaScript development workflow, you can enhance code quality, improve team collaboration, and provide better software solution. So, thank you for joining me in today's lecture. I look forward to exploring these best practices with you in more detail throughout this course. Until next time, happy coding.